So hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. So hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hi everyone, it's good. Hello everyone, welcome to my vlog. So again, oy!
So my mama is here. She will be helping me to unbox this one. So finally, my enrollment set is here. Yay! So let's start unboxing my Young Living enrollment set. By the way, I would like to say thank you to the one nga nag-introduce sa ako ani, to my friend Donica and Sean, Lloyd, and Dia. So kompleto kayo, no? So thank you for enrolling me and for giving me this kind of living learning. This time, we will try to diffuse unsa jud ay siya o unsa kahumot niya. Sige di ay unsa jud mo feel if ikaw maka-experience. So ana sila put ka water in the line. Exact 1 cup of glass. 1 glass di ay 1 cup na nung 1 glass of water, and then ang among nakita sa mga ate is wellness daw. So nasa kapatid nito ang wellness. If gusto ka mag-mix niya, you will be using this lemon. Ano sa to ate? Kani Eves and RC. So naalay ta pila ka drops ate, tagduha rin na. So let's put 2 drops. Mut kayo. So 2 drops. Drops na. 1, 2. Ay! Natulo. Sayang. Sige lang. Okay lang yun. So, next. Ano ma? So, drop ma. Wala. Sige, ako lang yun. 1, 2 man. And then next is 1 RC. So, drop. Drop na siya. 1, 2, 3. 3 na siya. Sige lang. And then, after that, we will put this one here. Clip. By the way guys, karon try man namo tong wellness nga nag-use me. So nice kayo siya sa feeling, smoothing siya sa feeling, kanang amazing kayo siya. So this is our first time to try Young Living essential oils, and it's very nice good kayo. So if you want to experience kung unsa mong na-experience with my mom, so you can message me, or you can if you want to try, just PM me nga, Kreastie, I want this, and I want that. So, para kitang tanan happy. So, we are already done. So, my heart is so happy, and my mama is so happy. Everyone is so happy. Kay, giabot na ang gihulat na ako. So, I'll be sharing with you all my experience with Young Living Essentials. So, for today, I'm going to say goodbye, and please don't forget to subscribe sa ako ang YT channel, and then please do follow me sa ako ang mga social media accounts, and please don't forget to like and comment sa ako ang video. So, that's it for today. God bless! Thank you! See?